Statistics, Unit 1. Measurement of fertility. Age-specific fertility rate, meaning merits and demerits. Age-specific fertility rate, ASFR. Definition. It is defined as the average number of live births occurring to 1000 women population of a specific age group in a year. ASFR equals to number of live births in a specified age group in a year divided by total number of females in that particular age in the year into 1000. If we consider age group of 20 to 29, then ASFR of age group 20 to 29 equals to number of live births to females in the age group 20 to 29 in a year divided by total number of females in the age group 20 to 29 in a year into 1000. Merits, demerits of ASFR. The merits of ASFR are: it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It is used in the computation of total fertility rate. It can be used for comparison of fertility among the age group in the same population. It considers both age and sex composition of the population. The demerits of ASFR are: it cannot be used for comparison of fertility of different population. It does not indicate the growth of population due to births. Calculation of age-specific fertility rate. Example 1. From the following data, calculate the age-specific fertility rate. Here, age in the years, number of women, number of live births are given. By taking these values into consideration, we need to calculate age-specific fertility rate by using the formula as below. Here we need to calculate age-specific fertility rate to each age group. ASFR for 15 to 19 equals to number of live births to female of the age 15 to 19 divided by total number of females of the age group 15 to 19 into 1000. After applying 1392 divided by 58,000 into 1000, that is nothing but 24. ASFR for 20 to 24 is number of live births to female of the age 20 to 24 divided by total number of females of the age group 20 to 24 into 1000. That is nothing but 9,000 divided by 60,000 into 1000. Our answer is 150. Similarly, we need to apply the rest of the values in the equation. ASFR for the age group 25 to 29 is 11,928 divided by 56,000 into 1000. That is 213. ASFR for 30 to 34 is 6490 divided by 55,000 into 1000, that is 118. ASFR for 35 to 39 is 1650 divided by 50,000 into 1000, that is 33. ASFR for the age group 40 to 44 is 572 divided by 44,000 into 1000, that is 13. ASFR for the age group 45 to 49 is 60 divided by 40,000 into 1000. Our answer is 1.5. Example 2. From the following data, calculate ASFR. Here also, age in the years, number of women, number of live births are given. If any question which contains to calculate ASFR for specified group, like calculate ASFR for the age group 20 to 24, then you need to calculate only ASFR for 20 to 24. But here they told to calculate ASFR and not mentioned the age group. Then you need to calculate ASFR for all the age groups. Now you need to write the table as it is. Here again we need to calculate ASFR for individual age groups. ASFR for the age group 15 to 19 equals to number of live births to female of the age 15 to 19 whole divided by total number of females of the age group 15 to 19 into 1000. That is nothing but 840 divided by 14,000 into 1000 equals to 60. Similarly, calculate the ASFR for the remaining values. ASFR for the age group 20 to 24 equals to 1350 divided by 15,000 into 1000 equals to 90. ASFR for the age group 25 to 29 equals to 2800 divided by 14,000 into 1000 equals to 200. ASFR for the age group 30 to 34 equals to 1200 divided by 12,000 into 1000 equals to 100. ASFR for the age group 35 to 39 equals to 1040 divided by 13,000 into 1000 equals to 80. ASFR for the age group 40 to 44 is 960 divided by 12,000 into 1000 equals to 80. ASFR for the last age group, that is nothing but 45 to 49, is 550 divided by 11,000 into 1000 equals to 50.